Hello and welcome to the unboxing of the USHA IC 3616 Induction Cooktop. This is a 1600 watt cooktop. There's an image over here, although it's a little obscured by the packing material. But this is a 1600 watt induction cooktop that comes with 1 year warranty and free home service. Some specifications are listed here. The model number is IC 3616 as I mentioned earlier. Power is 600 watt and running voltage is 230 volt, which is pretty basic for most households. And that's more or less it. I will open this box and show you the cooktop inside. So this is it. This is what you find inside the box. We have an instruction manual from USHA. This is for the IC 3616 induction cooktop. Everything that you want to know is listed here. So you have so over here you have key features, how induction cooking works, also a lot of do's and don'ts, important safeguards, cleaning instructions, troubleshooting, and also a warranty card right over here, warranty information rather. And this is the cooktop in question. As you can see, there is this particular sticker on top. I'll just remove that. This is of course a ceramic heating plate with a tempered glass on top, a very thin tempered glass. And over here it's written, notice the ceramic plate is hot after cooking, please do not touch it. So never touch this part under any circumstances when it's connected or even when it's not connected. And it's also written over voltage protection for 1500 volts. This is the control console underneath. So over here we have the power on off button. We also have plus minus button. This is usually for setting temperature or the timer. This is the play pause button. The play pause button is basically when you want to start using this, so this is what you do. And over here you have some presets like for milk and tea, deep fry, idli, curry, dosa, roti, manual, etc. So whatever is your preference, you just click on it and you start cooking. You also have an LCD display screen over here. This generally displays the temperature of the plate. Underneath there is a fan over here. As you can see, this is a large fan. This basically vents out all the heat, and there are two extra vents on the side as well. And at the back you have this pretty long and pretty thick power cable with a 3-pin socket on one end. And this is it. This is what you'll find inside the box containing the USHA IC 3616 induction cooktop. Thank you for watching.